1, 2, go. Start.
Yo! We are here. What is this place? Hey, come on, Jerry.
It's a adventure. What ATV adventure?
Sorry, I can't understand you.
ATV.
ATV.
Park.
Okay, Adventure Park. Sorry. This Tom and this Jerry.
Hello.
Yeah, they're friends. And I'm the leader. So follow me. And so we are here with Tom and Jerry. So you can see the things on my here, right? The things over here, the leaf over here. It's my signal. It's how I come here. So follow my signal. We are going to see the bike. What is it called? Quad bike. Yeah, let's go. ATV adventure. But in my kampong, we have a bigger batu, bigger than this. This more.
That's why I call Batu Pahat.
That's why you call Batu Pahat. Bike. Go and see. Over there. Look. So you can see that like 100 of right here. Maybe not 100, it's like no more than 50, that's a lot, okay. So later we are going to experience this, what's it called? Cock bike, yeah. Yeah, the thing that we're going just now is a package A with a half an hour training track. Just want to experience the simple like basic training for the cock bike. And if you experience something more, maybe you can try for package B, C, D, E. And try 1.5 hour for a 7 times waterfall, and it will be nice. Yeah, awesome.
Number one, you sit might be center like this, okay? You sit back here. You want to start with engine. This is ATV, 4 tires, automatic. Make sure you on keys before you start engine. On keys, on, turn on. Only you see the green light.
Yep.
Okay, you pull the rear brake. The yellow button is the start button. You press gas. Okay, release. Started. Okay. Now this is the rear brake. This is the front brake.
Okay.
Right hand front, left hand back brake. Rear brake. Okay. Now you want. This is automatic. Have a gear. You must be pull the rear brake and forward gear. Your gear, the forward, neutral, and reverse. Okay. You now you pull the rear brake and forward like this. You push down, go to the front. Or this is forward. You want to reverse gear, you push down, go to the back.
Okay.
This is reverse, okay? Now you do it.
Is our friend doing okay?
Yeah.
He's doing well.
Very slow lah. So now he study, just make round lah. After that you can confident.
Okay.
Ini. Hello. Now my turn.
Excited.
Yeah.
Feeling nervous.
I don't know.
You did good, boss. Boss, you are the best, boss. Of course. leader of Batu Pahat.
No, actually it's quite nice.
But the handling is quite hard.
Wow.
The handling is quite hard when you know the speed is quite slow. You have to press hard if the speed is, how to say, like speed up the vehicle, then you can handle it quite easily.
Yeah,
This is very hard.
yeah, this is fun. It's very easy to manipulate actually. It's very easy to control. It's a different version from Jimmy. Why? You know why? Because I'm a genius. Seriously, it's not that hard. It's not that hard.
For me, the Quad Bike was it's a real adventure, and you need a lot of fitness for this.
Really?
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Of course. You didn't ride, right?
Yeah, here.
Adventure Park Kuala Lumpur.